Hello everyone, in today's video, I will show you how to change a printer from offline to online in Windows 10 11th. The first thing you need to do is make sure your printer is turned on. It may have accidentally been turned off, so check that first. If your printer is wireless, make sure it is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. If it's a wired printer, make sure the cable is securely plugged in. A simple step to try is restarting your printer. Turn it off, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. You can also try unplugging it for a moment and then plugging it back in. This might help resolve the issue. If restarting the printer didn't help, let's try the next step. You need to check if the printer is in offline mode. To do this, first open the control panel. You can do this by clicking on the search bar, typing Control Panel and pressing Enter. Once the control panel is open, go to Hardware and Sound, then click on Devices and Printers. If you're using Windows 11, this might take you to the Settings page. If it does, don't worry. Just click on Printers and Scanners in the left menu and then click on your printer. Next, scroll down and look for the option for More Device and Printer Settings. Click on this to go to the Devices and Printers page. If you're already there, you might see a list of your printers. Find your printer in the list. If you don't see it, you may need to expand the section by clicking the small arrow next to Printers. Right-click on your printer and select See What's Printing or Print Queue. In this window, click on Printer in the menu and make sure the Use Printer Offline option is not selected. If it is checked, uncheck it. This should bring your printer back online. If this didn't work, let's try another step. You can reset the print spooler, which manages your printer's tasks. To do this, click on the search bar again, type Services, and press Enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find Print Spooler. Right-click on it and select Restart. This will restart the print spooler, which could help fix the issue. If the printer is still offline, the next step is to remove and reinstall the printer. To do this, go back to the control panel and open Hardware and Sound, then click on Devices and Printers again. Find your printer, right-click on it, and select Remove Device. Confirm that you want to remove it. After that, click on Add Device at the top of the window. Windows should find your printer again and allow you to add it back. Once it appears, click Add Device to reinstall it, and your printer should be back online. If you're using an older version of Windows, you may need to click Add a Device instead. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.